Hello again. In this video we will append to this data frame another data frame like this one, a dictionary like this one, and finally a series like this one. Before going to the code, we already saw the concat function in previous videos, okay? And what's the difference? We are talking about the append here, right? The concat allow us to concat rows and columns. On the other hand, the append is a shortcut to concat rows, okay? Just rows. And this is important. It can be less efficient compared with concat function. So let's do the code. As always, we are loading pandas here. Here is the path for the files, and here we are loading the CSV file people v2_1. Going down here, we will do our first example, DataFrame Append another data frame, and this is the second data frame people v2_2. Let's do the code, and we type DataFrame is equals to DataFrame.append, and we pass the DataFrame2 is just this. Running this code, we get this result where we have here the second data frame. The indexes are not continuous here, so let's make it continuous. To make it continuous, we just need to provide the ignore_index is equals to true, this second parameter. Running this again, we get now the result with a continuous index. Now let's say that we want to append more than just one data frame. To do that, we just need to pass a list. Let me paste here the code and make this a list. Let's append the data frame 2 again. So data frame 2. The list have 2 times the data frame 2. Okay, let's see what this does. And as you can see, we have the second data frame appended 2 times. Now let's imagine that we want to make sure that the index will not repeat. To do that, we need to provide a parameter that is called verify_integrity that is equals to true. Running this, we get this big error because the index repeats. An important note here is that verify integrity also exists in the concat function. Okay, let's comment these, and let's comment these two and go to the second exercise, append dictionary, uncomment this print, and this is our dictionary. We have a name is Peter, we have a age is 98 years old, and here we type DataFrame is equals to DataFrame.append dictionary. Let's see what happens, and we got this error where it says that we must use the ignore index equals to true. We go here and we provide ignore_index that is equals true. Run this again, and now we got here our data frame with Peter and 98. So let's comment this part and comment the print, and let's go to the third and last exercise, append a series. We have here the row that is this series, this name and this age. Let's uncomment these and let's do the code here. And guess what? We just need to type DataFrame is equals to DataFrame.append, and we provide the series, the row. Okay, running this, we get again the error where it says that we must use ignore index. We go here and we say that ignore_index is equals to true. Running again, now we got our series appended, but we got 2 more columns. These are the indexes of our series. We must converge these with the name and the age. To do that, we can do a trick, going here to the series and provide a second parameter. The second parameter is index is equals to DataFrame.columns. So with this, we are naming the index 0 with name and the index 1 with age. Okay, running this again, now we got our series append it to the data frame. Now let's compare the append with the concat. Okay, to do the same job with the concat function, we just need to pd.concat and we provide the data frame and the series. Okay, if we run this, unfortunately we get this, okay, where we have our series like a data frame with just one column and two rows. Okay, we must go here and before concat we must to make the series into a data frame and then transpose that data frame. Also, we can rename the columns with name and age, but since we are already doing this in our series, the index equals to dataframe.columns, we don't need this line, so we comment this one and we run this again, and now we got our final result. Okay, let's review. To append data frames, we just need to call the function append over our data frame and pass the new data frame that we want to append. The result will be this. It will not make new indexes, so to make new indexes we need to add another parameter, ignore underscore index, and the result will be this. Okay, also we saw that we can pass a list with data frames that we want to append. The result will be this, and if we want to check if there is index repeated, we add the parameter verify underscore integrity. To append dictionaries, we need to call the append function again and pass the dictionary. Okay, we get something like this, and this is important because the dictionary don't have an index. We must pass the parameter ignore underscore index. To append series, we tried this code first, and the result was this. Since the series have the index 0 and 1, it creates another column, the 0, and another for the 1. To merge these, we need to specify that the index is equals to the names of the columns of the data frame that we want to append to. Okay, so the result will be this. We saw that appending series is very simple using the append function comparing with the concat function, because with the concat we must convert the series into a data frame and then transpose that data frame. And this is the end. You can download the source code. The link is in the description of this video. Please give a like to this video too. It will help a lot, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. And as always, thank you for watching.